Hello again. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Do you drink coffee? Do you like to garden? Well, here's how to use those coffee grounds to perk up your garden or lawn or fruit tree. Hello again. This is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, here in my garden, talking to you about coffee grounds, how to perk up your garden with coffee grounds. People always ask me, what are my secrets for a really great, healthy garden with no pesticides? I tell folks, my wife drinks a lot of coffee. So these coffee grounds are a great supplement to add to your garden. They're a nice slow release source of nitrogen, potassium, and phosphorus with a little bit of magnesium, a little bit of copper, a little bit of calcium. Great for boosting your soil's microorganisms and really helping you have a healthy garden. It's not a substitute for a fertilizer, but it does help the fertilizer succeed by helping those microorganisms have a really well balanced diet. So how do you use these coffee grounds? First of all, you have to make sure they're used coffee grounds, not new grounds. So make sure after you're done with the coffee, you put them in a little container like this, let them dry out for a day at least, I always recommend, and then you just sprinkle them on. Now, important when you're sprinkling them on, you just kind of toss them around. Now, it's best to work them into the soil, but let's be honest, I have a cottage garden. I'm too busy to work stuff into the soil. I just throw it around, and it really is successfully and works it in. Now, when I'm done doing this, I'm going to make sure to water it all in really well, because that's how you get it to activate with the microorganisms. So again, take the coffee grounds, throw it on there. You don't need to throw a whole lot. You don't want to go get a giant 5-pound bag of used coffee grounds from Starbucks and use it, but just what you use in the house is pretty good. This is about a week's worth of coffee grounds at our house. So about every week or so, I'll come out here and just kind of throw them all on the garden and sprinkle it in. Now, another important thing with these coffee grounds is you don't want to use them around, say, your dogs. If you have dogs, don't use them in those flower beds, because coffee grounds, as you probably know, are a little toxic to dogs. The great thing about coffee grounds is you can also use them on lawn. I like to sprinkle them on my front lawn as well. And it's a really beautiful green lawn. It is an HOA lawn, but my lawn is the best lawn in the whole cul-de-sac because it gets coffee grounds. You can use these on fruit trees, anything. Just again, don't use them around wherever you see your dogs digging around. So sprinkle the coffee grounds in, water it in really well to really activate it. Well, that's how you can use coffee grounds to perk up your garden. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe to get more of my garden videos. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.